everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel here in Dallas. We're in a 1960 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. This thing's super awesome. It's fully redone, it's lifted, it's super fun to drive. It's a 5-speed manual transmission. It shifts super well, it drives really good, it stops super great. As you'll see in the pictures, it's a really nice color. It's super timeless and classic look on it. It's just a great vehicle all the way around. Once again, we're in a 1962 FJ Land Cruiser here at Skyway Classics Dallas. Come check it out.